Hello friends. As you all know, today is a Mother's Day. Let us talk little bit about the history of Mother's Day. Mother's Day is a celebration honoring the mother of the family, as well as motherhood, maternal bonds, and the influence of mothers in society. It is celebrated on various days in many parts of the world, most commonly in the months of March or May. The modern Mother's Day began in the United States, at the initiative of Anna Jarvis in the early 20th century. Mother's Day was first celebrated in 1908, when Anna Jarvis held a memorial for her mother at St. Andrew's Methodist Church in Grafton, West Virginia. Her campaign to make Mother's Day a recognized holiday in the United States began in 1905, the year her mother, Anne Reeves Jarvis, died. Anne Jarvis had been a peace activist who cared for wounded soldiers on both sides of the American Civil War, and created Mother's Day work clubs to address public health issues. Anna Jarvis wanted to honor her mother by continuing the work she started and to set aside a day to honor all mothers because she believed a mother is the person who has done more for you than anyone in the world. In this video I would like to share 5 tips for a healthy woman. Let's get started. Right from birth a woman has to undergo a lot of changes in her life, be it physical, hormonal or mental. She has to face numerous obstacles to prove herself, but she emerges as a winner in every phase of her life. But for a woman to achieve the goals, aims and ambitions, it is must that she should take care of her health first. So here are few easy tips for every woman to ensure she stays fit and healthy. 1. Load up on iron. Iron deficiency anemia is quite common in women, especially during the reproductive years. Around 15 to 49 years, according to WHO, iron deficiency anemia among women is defined as reduced hemoglobin concentration below 12 gm per 100 milliliters of blood in non-pregnant women aged 15 years and above, and below 11 gm per 100 milliliters of blood. To up your iron intake and prevent iron deficiency anemia, to include foods rich in iron in the diet like jaggery, fruits, grains, cereals, fortified foods and supplements. 2. Maintain your weight. Overweight and obesity can put a woman at risk of wide range of health complications ranging from diabetes and heart diseases to infertility. Studies have proved that overweight women are more likely to develop hypertension, diabetes and heart diseases as compared to women with healthy weight. Hence it is important to maintain healthy weight, which can be achieved by adequate aerobic exercise for at least 20 to 30 minutes a day for at least 4 to 5 days a week. 3. Regular self-breast examination. Breast cancer has been proved as one of the leading cause of death due to cancer in women. A breast self-examination is one of the best screening tests every woman can do at home to detect early changes in breasts, and which helps in early diagnosis of breast cancers. The test takes only 5 to 10 minutes and is advised for at least once a month by a woman above 15 years of age. 4. Vaginal hygiene and sanitation. Healthy and clean vagina plays a key role in a woman's sexual and reproductive health. Tips for vaginal hygiene include changing sanitary pads and napkins every 6 to 8 hours and knowing right way to use menstrual cup or tampon while on menses. 5. Regular health checkups. It is advised that a woman with family history of cancer should undergo screening as soon as she reaches 25 years of age. For those with family history of diabetes should get their blood sugar checked at least once a year. Routinely checking up the blood parameters like RBCs, WBCs, platelets, cholesterol is advised for women at risk. After 50 years of age, knowing the health status of your bones and joints and adequate intake of calcium is advised. These are the most important 5 tips for a woman. On the occasion of Mother's Day, share this knowledge with women you know around. Share this video as much as possible. And subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos. Thanks for watching.